So in this video, you'll learn how to change the font style on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So if you want to add another level of customization by changing the font style, then what you're going to do is just to navigate to settings. Once you're in settings, you're then going to scroll and select display. And then under display, you're going to scroll down until you find font size and style. Select it. From here, tap on font style, then you should see the different options available. If you don't like any of the options that you're currently being given, then you can always choose to tap on download fonts. Then you can go ahead and download any of the fonts that are available. And then once they've been downloaded, you can now start using that font on your phone. So once you've downloaded the amount of fonts that you want, you can just go back. And then you should see them listed in the list of available fonts. So you can go ahead and select any of them. And once you've selected that, then you should see the changes being applied to your phone. So now when you navigate through your phone, you can see your brand new font style has been successfully applied. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.